Well, I just saw Clark's Greeb go under the water. He's gonna pop up soon. Somewhere. Oh, there he is. Hello. I love Clark's Greebs. Oh, there he goes again. I'm not sure, but they may have renamed him. Remember, y'all might remember that the Audubon Society decided to rename all the birds named after people. Any bird with an apostrophe S. There he is. So this used to be a Clark's Greeb. Might be a Pacific Greeb now. Don't know. But I love Greebs. They are awesome birds. I love how low they ride in the water. They remind me of cormorants in that respect. And they're beautiful. And maybe he'll pop up for us one more time here. Oh, there he is. Wait a minute. There he is. There he is. Buddy. And he's gone.